We have a 1993 Komatsu forklift. The model is an FG25ST-11. It's a 5,000 pound base lifting capacity, runs on propane fuel, uses the popular Nissan H20 engine, has an automatic transmission, cushioned tires, good for use on solid surfaces, either indoors or outdoors. It has a 3-stage mast. The mast is 84 inches when collapsed. That's 7 feet. Forks the lift to a maximum height of 188 inches. That's 15.5 feet. Good for high lifting. It has 42-inch long standard forks, a load backrest attachment. It has tilt function to move the mast forward and back. It also has side shift function to move the fork carriage side to side. This Komatsu forklift's been serviced and is ready to work.